Our next stop of our fast food is Raising Cane's Chicken.
Oh.
We're gonna meet our good friend Andrew here, have some food, and then gonna show Nolan around my old school. Look at this handsome guy with this handsome BMW. What's up, brother? Halfway around the world.
Yeah.
Nolan. Andrew 叔叔。
Welcome to Colorado.
你要吃哪一个？要坐外面 or 都可以。
Need extra cane sauce or is one enough?
One is enough. Yeah, Maple weather is so nice, so chill outside. Yeah.
Yeah. Colorado is, you gotta enjoy it.
It's so nice, yeah, but it's so dry. Wow, 嘴唇 super chapped. I totally forgot to bring chapstick, but
Here we go. Thank you. Enjoy.
ready. Thank you. 哇，哥哥好，来，两只手拿着，我们出去外面坐。All right, big table, yeah.
Big table.
Let's go. Oh, they got a toast too. Woo-hoo. Raising Cane's, they're known for their sauce and chicken burgers.
Yeah.
All right, we gotta dip it in. Well, it's like I should have got a bigger box. You just devoured
more.
Yeah.
10岁啊，他可以吃很多了。
哥哥，你脚臭啊，放下去了。
放了。
你等下饿的话，我们再去吃一个 Chick-fil-A at again or In-N-Out.
No, wait, downtown.
Well, you ate most of the chicken, so 爸爸有点饿。Now we're heading to Cherry Creek High School, 爸爸以前的 high school. Nassau Street, I remember this. Daddy used to have a friend who lived here, and we used to go party there. China Lee, I remember that. We used to go eat there. That's where Daddy got his license. Drive safe. Okay, 这边转进去。This is Daddy's old school, 哥哥。 Yeah, Cherry Creek High School.
我进去吗？
可以继续看一下 Cherry Creek High School. Daddy used to park right here in this big parking lot. During winter time, when it was icy and snowy, we would just drift around in this parking lot. 乱开乱开，好好笑。We're at Cherry Creek High School, Daddy's old high school. I had my awesome 3 to 4 years here in Colorado. 哇，还是一模一样的 ！Oh my god! The red bricks. Holy crap! 爸爸以前的 artwork 就在这边展示。Man, this hasn't changed one bit. 来，我以前在这边在这个 office 里面工作。爸爸以前就在这边工作。这 locker room. Wow, this is my AP studio art. One of these places. This is where I had my art class. Yeah, this is the main hallway connecting, I think, the east building and the main building. We have to walk this every day, back and forth from class. This is my cafeteria. 我还记得我们去这边吃饭。Come here, I'll show you. Wow, this is new. This is all new. They have little booths now. We would sit here to eat. I would sit in this area to eat. And then this was all kitchen. There used to be an entire kitchen. I had my English class here, one of these rooms. One of my counselors was Mr. Kimanaw and Mr. Guilford. Wow, these are nice drawings by students. Oh, my English class was here actually. Yeah, I remember. This is PC. And I think PC one of these. My locker was here, Gaga. One of these areas. You wanna check it out? Whoa, that's our locker. You can fit in, man. Squeeze in. Look at these. Oh, made of skis. 因为 Colorado 超级会滑雪，对啊，都就是报废掉的 skis 再给它剪断，然后做成一个 bench. Oh, my Spanish class was down there. 等下给你看我的 Spanish. Yeah, see. I told you, see, Spanish class. I told you 25 years ago. No, this library was kind of new before I got here. So I was going to I think these Steve library. Yeah, so they expanded it when I graduated. Wow, completely changed. Completely changed. Editing room. We do film class here. And then, yeah, there used to be those green colored iMacs. Now it's all brand new iMac. Geez, so nice. 不常上去 but we used to have like a big party up there. I remember we had a student set up a DJ table and then they invited me to go spin. We would line up here, 几千个人 flowing into the school through these glass doors every day. Gaga, this is the main door to my school. And then 每天下课我们都在这边 chill with our friends. We would chill right there. 以后12年级都会在这边，知道吗？所以 it's all good memories for you and 你以后的 I don't know 小孩子 who knows。爸爸真的很感动，想要带你来看这个地方，知道吗？Okay, love you, buddy.
Love you, Dad.
Oh no, it's locked. West is locked. Oh, it's open. Bro. Did you press it again? Yeah. Oops. Thank you. I don't remember what class that I had here. I think math. Yeah, math and history is around here. 美国的 high school 就是这样子 endless halls of red lockers. Ooh, okay. I remember the stairs. 我们去 West 的那个 cafeteria 那边 because it connects to the outdoor football stadium and the basketball court. I was here, starting from here. 98, 99, 2000, 2001, 2002. 几千个人. Oh my gosh, Aryan Diva. That's my friend. Gaga? That's my friend Aryan. I remember her, Christine Anderson. I remember her, but I forgot her name. 2002. This was my graduation year. Oh man. This is the West cafeteria. I'm a friend of mine, Chinsu. It's pretty ethnic based. It's pretty funny. The West building is where all the white Caucasians used to be, and the East building was all the Eastern Asians. So it's funny how they situated it like that. Got the tennis courts out there. I remember John Lee, my good friend, he used to be the 校队. Okay, let's take a look. There's a basketball team. I used to play hockey and football here too. Yeah? I'm just bringing my kid to see the school. All right. Let's check it out. Whoa! Good cheerleading practice. Pretty cool. 然后它会这个 shadow 会直接照几点钟。So it's almost 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. See? Pretty accurate, right? Whoa, now this school is so big. They got road signs now. That's cool. Cherry Creek High School. All right, buddy. I think that's a wrap. Let's go.
Look at this bird.
Bird. What is that? Is that a birdhouse? Is that a church? Oh, cool.
Bird. It's a bird.
Bird. You like this school?
Yeah.
Would you want to come here?
Yeah, to see the birds.
Nolan, check this out. This is all new. They got a rock climbing wall and a rope course, obstacle course. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Oh, 太爽了吧. All right, buddy. That was my old school. Now let's go check out my old home. 11799 East Powers Avenue. Should be like 5 minutes away. 8 minutes. Let's go. 有小孩子在卖 lemonade.
Yeah, I want to do that too.
Hi, hi.
What's up?
有没有？
Yeah.
美国人就喜欢在路边卖 lemonade，有没有很可爱？
也算我们了。
对啊，我们在台湾金门县，你也是 do the same thing outside our garage, right?
真的我们要
很多个 stop sign， 美国 stop signs 一定要停，知道吗 ？Otherwise 警察都会抓你。
Yes.
Okay, Pat and Larry lives over here on the right. I love this back road. 以前爸爸就在这边飙车。I drove super fast through these twisties, 哥哥。I would go so fast and test my car on this road.
What car?
My Subaru WRX.
Oh my days.
Yes, oh my day. See this tight turn? See this tight left turn?
Yeah,
I wouldn't
you
brake, no brake. Just full gas all the way. Here we go, Gaga. The hills east. This is Bavada, where I used to live. This used to be a little park right here. 右边这个右边这个
Oh my days, 好大。
这个超大的11799 You see it?
哦。
看。哇 Man, such good memories. 我也不好意思走进去，我按门铃。kind of awkward because it's other people's homes. 知道吗 OK， 所以看到爸爸以前老家，你看叔叔有很多很酷的车子哦。Let's go, dude. I was just at my old house. Oh, good seeing you in Colorado, halfway around the globe again.
Yeah, man.
Wow, look at this Ducati. Is this a new one?
That's a 21, yeah.
Jeez.
I got my Corvette's actually,
Oh yeah, Corvette.
actually on Jack's there.
Oh, okay.
It's a little embarrassing, actually.
Okay, dude, that's awesome.